just got the brakes bled. What a fucking mess. And it's on there. It's still loose. Like I said, I like to go around and tighten everything all at once. That way I know everything's done. So I gotta go check my list, see what's next. Just some other little things. I got this all nice and secured on here. Made sure it reached the whole way down. I got that off of that LT 250R I had for a little bit there. I guess, yeah, I gotta get the carb put on. I can throw the gas tank on. I gotta get that chain cut to size. I gotta write that down. Yeah, no. She's coming along. She's coming along. Fucking coming on the road. Chill. So, just stopped at St. Ange. I went in there to get a master link. But he gave me a whole fucking chain. So, shout out to St. Ange and Barry, man. Can't say enough good things about them. They're fucking totally fucking awesome. Just look for the old gray hair guy in there in the dirt bike building and he'll set you right up. Fucking love him. Anyway, I'm gonna bring this chain back. We got the CDI all installed. We got the stator all installed. We just gotta throw a couple screws in everything and should be fucking smooth sailing from here. We gotta get the gas tank on. We gotta get the plastics on. I'm gonna try to start it with the shit carb just because I know it works, and then once it's running, then I'll switch over the carb and we'll start playing around with that. Almost got her together here, boys. Couple last touches. Should be done. Just about to fill up the radiator here. It's full of fluids. There's already mixed gas in there. I'm running 32:1 as recommended by Suzuki's handbook. Yeah, otherwise, I still have to make this old fucking, make this old girl work, this old FMF shorty. It might actually just be a stock RM pipe, but as you can see, it's missing this bottom mount here, and it's also missing the top mount there, so I'm probably just gonna, rig it up and make it work for today. Just so we can get a first start. Something like that. Fucking tie it up like that or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Should be getting the first kick here soon.